What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, Brian.
What's up, peeps?
And we're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. So today, it's for the dreaded door time. Almost everyone we've talked to has built one of these. What kind of universally said, this is gonna suck. So we're gonna find out. When we put the rough fitting in, pushed them in to the door slot, it looks like they fit pretty decently. There's some odd spots, but nothing like ridiculously crazy that we saw. You didn't see anything that was weird, did you? No. So we'll see. We'll see how these turn out. You guys, Ryan, you think we should give them what we finished? Because we didn't finish this in the video.
Oh yeah, you can show them your truck pretending to be a truck.
Yeah, my truck being turning into a truck. So, look at this. It's actually acting like a truck. But, there's wood in here. Yeah, we're going to talk about that later. That's not going to be in this video. But we'll talk about that a little later. You want to give me some light, Brian, so I can show them how it works? So, finish this off camera. It's kind of hard to see. There we go. So, got these. I need to loosen these up a little tight. And then and boom. It actually has a working tailgate with straps. I just need to loosen. I'd probably tighten these a little too tight. They don't want to pop off easily. But yeah, truck's acting like a truck. And plywood's working. Yeah, we'll talk about that one later. That's not going to be this video. And put it back up. There we go. And it's back to working as a truck again. Yeah, pretty pleased with that. But we're gonna get back onto these doors, and yeah, stay tuned. This may suck. Welcome back, guys. So as you guys saw, we're working on getting, this is the latch side. Yeah, so getting the latch holes drilled. And Brian, want to show them the same side?
We got the some notches cut out for the hinges and some slots for the hinges.
Yeah. Lots of fun. Yeah, so we're gonna, now I think it's the outer door latch, work on that next and keep cracking through. Stay tuned.
This is my excited face.
Welcome back, guys. This is the next week, actually. We got a little sidetracked, but back on these door parts. They're nice and dry and cured. Got Brian back.
What's going on, pumps?
Yeah, so this is going to be, let's say we're going to have a little fun, hopefully. Either that or we're going to open the garage door and just toss the door out the window. Out the door. Okay. Sound like a plan, Brian?
It does.
So let's hope this works. All right, stay tuned. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. So, Brian, how close are we tossing this door out the window?
About that close.
All right, so kind of what you saw us do first. Just things of note, it's kind of weird, but in order to get the door bar inside the door, you have to, you can't have the carriage bolt in. So you got to toss this in there and put the bars in separately. Then you actually have to slide the carriage bolt in, and then you can attach the hinge mechanism. So the small piece of the door bar goes in between the hinge mechanism and these outer bolts. So yeah, that was fun. And now we're working on the hinges, and in order for the hinge to look good, you gotta have it sitting like right here. Well, you got all of this extra metal at the top. Well, so we're about to find out if I have something that can cut this, because this is some tough stuff. I can already, the way it feels and how heavy it is, this is tough. We'll see if I can cut it. If not, I have an excuse to buy more tools. So like, I like new tools. But yeah, this will be fun. So we'll see. Welcome back, guys. So I'll show them our hinges that we cut down. We did manage to cut them down, which kind of surprised, but we were able to cut it. But I have nothing that will drill through this shit. So I'm buying a drill press tomorrow.
And if you look at the fine drilling that was supplied, our cuts look way better than their cuts.
Yeah, like we nailed those cuts. Like ours look beautiful.
Actually, what it looks like is they drilled the holes and realized they were in the wrong spot and then whacked it off and drilled more holes. Because those are beveled holes.
Oh, yeah, good point. Those are beveled holes.
So even the factory 5 assemblers
Sometimes
realized that modifications were required.
Very true. But hey, that's part of the fun process. But yeah, so we're going to end for today because I don't have anything that can punch a hole through that. But I love buying more tools.
Always going to buy more tools.
Yeah. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Welcome back, guys. So unfortunate news. So I went to go try and find a drill press and I couldn't find one. So I got to order one online. So unfortunately, Brian, what does that mean?
What does that mean? Guess we're not going to finish the doors today.
We're not finishing the doors today. It's quite unfortunate. But we're going to have to end this video. But don't worry. There's other stuff we'll be working on. Today is not going to a waste. Do you think they should get a sneak peek of what we just did?
Nah, make them wait.
You hear it. You guys got to wait till next video. But yeah, we just did something fun. So stay tuned and catch you guys on the next video. If you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, comment down below, tell us what we're messing up, telling us what we're doing right, and hit that like button. Brian, he's always in that comment section as well. So you can catch us both. Oh, there's a couple of people that are in this area that wanted to come check it out. We work on this car Wednesday, Thursday, Friday night. So if you guys are in the area, want to come check it out, I know I put my email in one of the comments and stuff like that. You guys feel free to hit me up and we'll definitely come schedule some time for you guys to be down here. So have a good one.